Hey y'all, I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to teach you about transforming problems into pleasure while we discuss porn-induced erectile dysfunction and why it might be happening to you. In this video, you're going to learn about what porn does to the brain and how that could be affecting your systemic impact in your relationship with your partner or with your social life. Webinars below on male performance anxiety. Scroll down to the description. So why does this matter? The brain is the most important part of the body when it comes to pleasure. If you suspect that the porn you're watching is probably affecting your sex life, it actually is. The majority of men and couples that come to see me are telling me that it's a problem with their penis, when actually it's a problem with their mind. Porn has a significant impact on the brain and the dopamine system. The intensity and frequency with which they're watching porn is actually starting to affect their libido and their performance. The dopamine system in our brain is what keeps us motivated. It gives us energy and the drive to seek something. It's all about curiosity. From an evolutionary perspective, think of it as the drive to go out and find resources, food, water, and of course things like mating. Your brain has a baseline level of dopamine. When we ingest or add a substance that evokes an increase in our dopamine levels, there is an increase in dopamine followed by a proportionate decrease in dopamine. And the decrease or drop below your baseline level is what causes a cycle. It creates this feeling of needing more, almost like we're foraging for food and water, but we're not. So what happens? We go towards something else. What do we go to? Porn, because it's easily accessible and it's fun. So let's talk porn. When you're viewing porn, there is an increase in dopamine followed by a subsequent decrease in dopamine. The thing is though, that supposedly each time you engage in this, your dopamine goes below baseline over and over again, meaning that you don't have that same feeling you did the first time you went towards it. In this case, you want more of the stimulus, more of the pornography source, instead of what you might actually have access to, a partner or a friend with benefits or something else. So you see, porn can tie into your partnered sex life. It's not necessarily a problem with your penis, but the whole body and brain connected. Let's find your sense of curiosity, pleasure, and wonder again. This could mean a break from audio or visual pornography to give your mind time to reset. So although there aren't studies yet showing that porn is this cause of issues in the dopamine receptors, what we do know is just like watching sports or consuming alcohol, we go back to the stimulus and behavior that we like. However, it's never quite as exciting as the first time we went towards it because of this theory on dopamine levels. So I'm not saying porn is a bad thing, but if we think about it in terms of watching sports, if you're missing out on opportunities to travel, your friendships, or other things that are also important to you for something like sports and watching them, we might want to consider if that's actually helpful to the life you're trying to create for yourself. So is porn actually an issue for you? It might be difficult to navigate the process. Look for an AASECT certified sex therapist who will see this situation with non-judgment and compassion and help you with no shame and no blame to get through what's currently affecting your sex life. So now that you know that porn-induced erectile dysfunction actually exists, this may be leading to some of your issues with performance anxiety. If the problem is performance-related anxiety, I created a paid webinar on that topic. Click below, use the code YouTube10 to get $10 off. This answers specific questions about erections and performance anxiety in more depth. What do you think about porn-induced erectile dysfunction? Do you have any experience? Comment below, would love to hear your stories. If this video was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and the bell, or share with someone who you think might find it helpful. See you at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesdays, or say hi on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at The Sex Healer or at Amanda Pasciucco, so I can know more of what content you want to see. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.